Well, we're going to come out here and give this power washer a try real quick and show you guys how good it cleans. We're going to wash this little mini excavator here. It's pretty muddy. So I'm going to use the 25-degree tip and see what it does. As you can see, it did a pretty good job as far as power washing that mud off there. That 4 gallon a minute pump really helps get the water out and get it washed off a lot faster than some of the smaller ones. So overall, it does a really good job. I'm pretty happy with it as far as washing off equipment. So we washed this off pretty quick for as dirty as it was, and those tracks take a long time to get all the mud out from under it. It does a good job washing the tractor. But time will tell, and we'll see how it does from here on. If you guys enjoyed the demonstration / review of the STIHL RB800 pressure washer, if you liked the video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. It's the 4M Ranch logo, and I'll see you guys next time.